Hi everyone! Today we will study more about math. For today, we will study about rounding off numbers to the nearest 10, rounding off numbers to the nearest 100, and estimation. Now, let's start with rounding off numbers to the nearest 10. Sometimes in our life, we don't have the exact value of everything. So, we need to round off things or numbers to make it easier for us to count ahead. We usually round off numbers when we want to save something or when we want to buy something. For example, you want to buy a candy. Let's say the price of the candy is about 19,500 rupees. It is somewhat expensive, but when you buy this, you get a lot of candies. So, because the number is kinda odd, you need to have a little bit more money so that you can pay for the candy. So, when you round the number up, because it's 19,500, you get 20,000 rupees. So, what you need to do is just to pay with the 20,000 bills and you bought the candy with an exchange 500 rupees. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to round the number either up or down to the nearest 10. First, let's take a look at this number. This number is 82. Now, if we want to round this number to the nearest 10, where will it go? Will it go to 80 or 90? We need to know what is in the middle. The middle between 80 and 90 is 85. Now, let's draw a line. With this line, we can know for sure which number is the nearest one with 82. So, if we round off the 82, it will go to the 80. So, we say that 82 is approximately equal to 80. Now, let's look at the second number, 17. Where the 17 should go if we want to round it off by 10? Because 17 is nearer to 20 than to 10, so we round it off to 20. Do you guys understand? Okay, if you understand, let's do this exercise. Now, pause the video and continue after you finish working on it. Alright, now let's see to this example. As you can see in this picture, if we want to round a number to 60, we need to find out which one is the smallest number and which one is the greatest number. For the smallest number, it will be 55, while the greatest number is 64. I hope you understand this one. Now, let's try this exercise. Please pause the video and then continue after you finish doing it. Okay, next one is rounding off numbers to the nearest 100. Actually, it has the same principle with the tens, just we need to make it into the hundreds, not the tens. So let's take a look at this one. As you can see, 223 is nearer to 200 than to 300. So, if you want to round this number off, we need to round it into the 200. Alright, is everyone clear? I hope you understand this. Now, let's do this exercise. Pause the video and then continue after you finish doing the exercise. The last one that we are going to study today is about estimation. What is estimation? It is when we want to add, subtract, divide, or multiply something, but the number is kinda odd. So we want to even the number, so it makes us easier to count. For example, let's take a look at this equation. The equation is 47 plus 81. Now, if we want to estimate it, we need to round the number off first. So 47 goes into 50 and 81 goes into 80. So 50 plus 80 becomes 130. So we could say that 47 plus 80 is about 130. So once again, before we want to count the number, we need to round off the numbers first. We need to round it into the nearest 10 or the nearest 100. Okay, do you understand? Well, let's try this exercise. Please pause the video and then continue after you finish working on it. Alright, great job everyone! You've done today's lesson in this video. Just like before, please take a picture of your exercise and then post it in the Google Drive. And don't forget, after this you have another exercise that you have to do, and there's the link in the description below. So, I will see you again next time. Bye-bye!